Hello, it's me, Kate Stichina, and you're on InstaForex TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. The US dollar is in the corrective growth as traders are still digesting the results of the G20 summit. The euro, on the other hand, is pressurized by the Eurozone economic statistics. In the Eurozone, the unemployment rate fell to its lowest level in more than a decade, but manufacturing activity continues to decline and thus worsening the market sentiment. In June, the Euro Area Manufacturing PMI contracted to 47.6. The slump of the region was seen for the fifth month in a row. The European Central Bank is likely to soften its monetary policy due to weak economic data and inflationary pressure. During the European session, the euro-dollar pair continued its downward movement. After the breakdown of the support 1.1350, the quotes of the pair rolled back to the value of 1.1324. The sellers of the single currency are pushing the quotes below $1.13. The Euro-USD pair is likely to be trading in a bearish channel if the US currency surges up. Today, the US dollar index is trading at a weekly high. Meanwhile, traders can take a break after the volatile Asian session and think over the further movements of the currencies. The demand for risky assets is improving amid the positive news from the G20 summit, while the demand for safe haven assets such as the Swiss franc is lowering. The USD chief pair rose by 0.8% to 0.9837. The gold prices sank to the lowest level of the year, falling below the psychologically important level of $1,400 per ounce. Last month, the precious metal was trading with an increase of 8%, showing the best results since the referendum in the UK. The pound sterling is weakening amid the US dollar rally. Overall, the British currency remains neutral to the recent news, including the G20 summit results. Traders are losing interest in Brexit saga. Yesterday's comments of Boris Johnson about the upcoming withdrawal from the European Union were completely ignored by traders as well. Today, the pound sterling failed to consolidate on the support level of 1.2660. Only a strong downward movement may help the pound sterling to fix at the level. Thus, the bearish scenario looks quite likely. The decision of Washington at Beijing to resume negotiations had little impact on market sentiment, as the Fed hinted at its key interest rate cut. What is more, traders are prepared for a rate cut, so they are likely to sell the US dollar. You were watching market news on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals and waiting for you in our next release.